Freebird 348 says, what percent of your rental income goes to repairs, maintenance, and capital expenditures? Repairs, maintenance, and capital expenditures are different but similar, so let me explain. Repairs are going to be small things that happen every now and then. So the washing machine has a hose that busts. Hopefully this happens when the tenants are there and it's not a big deal, but just something that isn't supposed to happen, but it does happen. Unclogging a toilet, those are repairs. Maintenance is something that needs to get done every now and then. Examples of maintenance are taking care of the yard, cleaning out the gutters, repainting the outside, power washing the exterior. Things that should be done maybe like annually. I would say that those are maintenance items. And then capital expenditures are huge, large-scale renovations like you want to redo the electrical system, or you want to redo the roof, or you want to repave your parking lot if you've got a multifamily property, or if it's a residential, just doing the driveway. Renovating the kitchen, big, huge, large-scale renovations that should happen once every couple of years or once a decade. You want to put money aside for those. I've seen some people take out like renovation loans, which I don't really believe in, but it does make sense for some people. You could also do that with your home equity line of credit. Again, don't recommend it. But if that is something you're going to do, I still recommend putting away 5% of your rental income every month to help offset the amount that you're going to have to take out for a loan if you decide to take out a loan for one of those bigger things like capital expenditures. You've got to remember that 10% is going to go to your property manager. But if you've got a larger property, like a multifamily property, the economies of scale kind of work out in your favor. You could go as low as 4% for a property manager, maybe 4 or 5, 8%. Since I'm paying less to the property manager percentage-wise, I would bump up the percentage of the allocations that I put aside for maintenance, repairs, and capital expenditures to a little bit higher, maybe like 8-10%, because those costs are actually going to scale out as well. Got more toilets, got more things that could go wrong, so you want to put more money aside so it's not as big of a hit to your wallet if you didn't prepare for those. Other than that, thanks for watching. If you've got a question that's real estate related, put it in the comments below, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.